7 Things your period blood color says about your health. Periods, and most importantly, period blood are slowly becoming less taboo to society. Knowing what your period blood should look like might save you from very dangerous conditions. For example, the light pink color of your period may signal low estrogen levels and could be a signal of an approaching osteoporosis diagnosis later in life. We at Solution Provider found out what your period blood color can tell you about your health and how to deal with it. 7. Pinkish color. Pinkish colored period blood may signify low estrogen levels. If you're an avid runner, this could also be a reason for your menstrual blood to be light in color, as it's been proven that playing sports, especially running, may cause the estrogen levels to drop. It's something to watch out for, as some studies have found a connection between low estrogen and osteoporosis later in life. 6. Watery. Watery, almost without color or super light pink menstrual blood means you are either nutrient deficient, or you could even have ovarian cancer. But don't get too nervous, fallopian tube cancer accounts for less than 2% of all gynecological cancers. 5. Dark brown. Dark brown or dark red may mean that some of the old blood has been sitting inside your uterus for too long. Nobody knows why this happens, but this is considered to be a normal thing. 4. Thick and looks like jam with clots. Jam-like blood discharge during your period with dark red clots means that you might have low progesterone and high estrogen levels. Most of the time, it does not mean anything. However, if the clots are large in size and there are many of them, it may mean you have a hormonal imbalance. Also, fibroids in your uterus could be the cause. This condition should not scare you though. 3. Gray-reddish mix. Gray or gray-reddish mix discharge may mean 2 things. If you're not pregnant, it's a signal for an STD, STI infection, but if you have missed at least one of your periods, it may mean an early miscarriage. 2. Cranberry red color. The cranberry-colored blood during your period is considered healthy and great. But it must be noted that what is normal for one person may be not the case for another. So, scheduling an appointment with a doctor regularly is a good idea. 1. Orange. Orange color, just like a gray-red mix, may mean you have an infection. However, a bad odor and severe pains will accompany this if it's an STD, STI infection. Now you've seen what color your period blood says about your health. Perhaps it's time to make an appointment with your gynecologist. Tell us in the comments below what you think.